Handle Robot is an industrial and research that is created by Boston Dynamics in the United States in 2019. It is used for material handling applications, and it has a manipulator arm capable of picking up heavy boxes. It has a swinging tail that helps it balance and move dynamically in tight spaces. It is a mobile robot that combines the rough terrain capability of legs with the efficiency of wheels. Handle Robot is a modular industrial gearbox for infinite applications. It can drive the automotive industry forward. It can select the right camera solution for robotic arms. It has depth sensing and embedded vision using Econ Systems' 3D time-of-flight camera. Cloud ground control enables remote monitoring and control of unlimited uncrewed systems with a new micro-modem. Handle Robot travels at 9 miles per hour. It comes with electric power to operate both electric and hydraulic actuators, with a range of about 15 miles on one battery charge. Handle Robot wheels are efficient on flat surfaces while legs can go anywhere in a warehouse setting. Handle Robot has a large, overhead suction cup gripper, and it can pick up 100-pound crates. Handle Robot is used for logistics. It is a mobile manipulation robot that autonomously performs mixed SKU pallet building and depalletizing after initialization and localizing against the pallets. Handle Robot uses an onboard vision system to track the marked pallets for navigation and finds individual boxes for grasping and placing. Handle Robots can figure out which boxes are discrete from each other and plan a path for grabbing the box. It can work in warehouses, but the robot will depend on its overall shape to do its new job. Handle Robot has a camera to localize itself in space. It has a camera for obstacle avoidance. It has a camera that is looking for the best place to grab a box. It is a fast-moving robot capable of picking products off of shelves. It is used for bipedal or quadrupedal bots to one with wheels. It can load and unload pallets of products in the warehouse. Handle Robot is good at stacking boxes. It can lift up to 30-pound boxes, and it can stack pallets up to 4 feet deep and up to 5.5 feet tall. It has onboard vision systems that help find boxes to grab and track which pallets it's supposed to be taking them to and from. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.